I'm inside Marshall's and I just wanted to share with you some of the fun things I'm seeing today here. They have so many beautiful Christmas decorations that it's almost overwhelming. Look at this giant gnome. He's so cute. A lot of red truck, a lot of gnome, so many things to choose from. This one's cute. $24.99 for the little gnome with the pink hat. Oh my goodness, look at this red truck. Oh, I think I'm gonna buy this. $39.99. It's all metal. It's beautiful. It's coming home with me. I noticed that there's a lot of like this $29.99 for this. I noticed that there are a lot of Christmas decorations in the cream colors and then the sage greens. So that's interesting to see this year because we didn't have those colors last year. And I love the whites. They have a lot of white decorations and I'm really enjoying all the different white. This is a cute Santa. It's beautiful actually. How pretty is this white swan if you had a nutcracker theme? Just wanted to share with you the sign. I do like checking out the stationery, but I've never noticed that they carry We Are Memory Keeper things. So I'll have to keep my eyes peeled more often for these around this time of year. I took a look at some of the price tags, and so the wreaths are ranging from $24.99 to $59.99, which is pretty reasonable, I think, for a lot of these. They have a lot of embellishments and a lot of detail. I have been to a few Marshalls now, and I must say, every store has different things. Some of them items are repetitive, but I can't believe how much variety and selection they have. I really am impressed this year. I think this is the first Christmas I've noticed that the stock is exceptional. And it looks like snow globes have made a really big return. And some of them are unique. Like, look at this one. Looks like an old vintage radio. It's so cute. But I hadn't seen snow globes like this in a few years, since probably I was a kid. Nutcrackers have been making their way back, but this year it's all about the gnomes and the red truck and the snow globes. Snow globes are everywhere. These are beautiful trees. I like that they have, it's almost like a linen or a tweed effect on them. They're beautiful. $24.99. Last year, I was really lucky and found beautiful decorative pillows this year. They're cute, but they're just not my style. So, if you have a baker or a lover of baking, these are really cute things to put together in a gift basket. So, I have seen some beautiful baking bowls, similar to this. Actually, I think the sets were the same but different styles, and you can put together a lovely basket. I always like checking out their furniture. This is a beautiful table, and they've staged it so that you can have an idea of what chairs would look nice with it, but you have to buy individual pieces, so the table is separate from the chairs. I actually recently purchased a plush one, almost like this pink, at Costco for my daughter, or maybe it was more like this, and I think they were $19.99, and they're a fair size. This one's here is $24.99, so roughly the same price. Beautiful, plushy little rugs or mats. If you're into boho, this is a beautiful piece to accent your home with, and they have a few pieces here staged. This is the time when I look for table napkins. I always like to have like a 100% cotton. Sometimes it's nice to have prints, but typically I go for something that's more solid. This gray is really nice, but I think it might have snowflakes. And then I like having white. Actually, I just purchased this exact set at a different store. Another absolutely gorgeous Santa. I'm tempted to buy this one. I've been to a few Marshalls in search of a actually specifically Harry Potter mug that my daughter had seen when she'd come out with me, and it was yellow and I can't find it anymore. I went back to the same store because I wanted to buy it as a surprise for her for Christmas and not in front of her, and now I've missed out entirely. I'm going to leave you with some clips from my previous shop with me that I've already posted on the channel, just so you can see some of the cute gnomes and other items that are there. They have a lot of whimsical, the gingerbread line, the little houses and everything, so if you're looking. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed walking around with me, and until next time everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.